Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Muhammad Tanvir Ahmed, graduate Natural Medicine and Surgery. Today I am going to discuss about knee joint pain or arthritis or arthralgia, whatever you can say. According to temperamentology or according to metaphysics, we can divide it into two ways. Number one, knee joint pain with hotness, redness and swelling. This kind of knee joint pain, number one. And another types of knee joint pain, where knee joint pain, but there is no hotness, redness, swelling. That's another one. Number one, where present redness, swelling, and hotness, you should apply spagul and vinegar altogether mixed and apply over the knee joint. Second suggestion, taken habbe suranjan or tablet suranjan once a day. Number two, where knee joint pain but there is no hotness, redness and swelling, these kinds of knee joint pain, you have to apply Ogon Habdarg or oil Habdarg over knee joint. And second, you should take in tablet Suranjan twice a day and avoid all kinds of cold and sour things, cold drinks, sour fruits, whatever. I hope if you are follow this suggestion, you will recover very soon from this disease. About 50 to 70%. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.